Halfway through the day, I would begin to feel my body tightening up and a feedback loop of pain start. That happened every day to greater or lesser degree. And then I tried this Gokhale method, and now it almost doesn't happen at all.
I've tried all of the kind of typical remedies, physical therapy. I finally feel like I know the right way to do each of those things.
It's comprehensive, it's full-bodied, it's complex, it's concentrated, and it's absolutely delicious in that you will learn to love your new life going through this experience.
My name is Catherine Curtis, and I'm about halfway through the Gokhale Elements Course. It's been very powerful for me. I, like many chronic pain sufferers, really experienced my body as being armored, as being rigid, as being held tightly, a lot of feedback loops, that sort of thing. And no matter how much yoga or how many massages I received, I wasn't able to break out of that pattern that I had developed that was meant to avoid pain, but was actually causing me pain. And then I tried this Gokhale method, and it's amazing. It's like the pattern's been broken. There's a new system, and my body is really interested in it and very willing to adopt it. It's really interesting to experience. It's kind of like there's a center place to be, a way where your body can sit. And then you're sort of taught, once you get that center, then the other pieces sort of fall into place around it very naturally. And it's a very exciting feeling to sort of have your center, your spinal column feel right. Before I took the course, I would say about midway through my day, kind of no matter what I did, I was in a fair amount of pain, and that would last till the end of the day. Now, maybe once every 2 weeks, I feel that way. And if I feel that way, I know what I can do to help it. I kind of understand the system, so I know where to go. So that's extremely exciting and a lot of progress for me.
So I have been dealing with some pretty excruciating lower back pain for about a year now. I've tried all of the kind of typical remedies, physical therapy. It got to the point where I was really afraid to do stuff for fear of like tweaking my back. It's been fascinating to just learn about this kind of common sense, at least outside of the Western world, approach to the way we should really be sitting and standing and lifting things and bending over and laying down. Like I have often experimented with different ways to try to make my back feel better, but based on nothing. I finally feel like I know the right way to do each of those things. And what reminds me is the kind of discomfort that comes from finding yourself stuck in the old. When you slip out of, you're like, wait, this doesn't feel right. And then you go, oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah. Oh, that feels good. Yeah.
So I have been following Esther for about 4 years now. I was getting her newsletter regularly, loving it, loved the different techniques that she was sharing in it. But I really, really wanted to take one of her courses. But I live in a city where there are no in-person courses available. So I just sort of waited and thought, well, I hope someday someone comes to my town and can teach me Esther's techniques in person. Well, somebody was looking out for me, or my fairy godmother or something, because poof, I've been able to do it through the power and connection of an online course, which is just amazing. So I started out taking one of Esther's workshops, which was brilliant. And then I decided to take the deep dive into a more comprehensive course. And I'm loving it. No regrets. It's really hard to describe what Esther does because she has such immense learning and background in her specialty, but she makes it appear really simple. And that, to me, is the sign of a master. So it's almost deceivingly simple, the things that she'll get you to do, until you realize, holy smokes, look at all the background and thinking that's behind that, all the learning, all the research. And yet she's sort of condensed this into these techniques and these visual metaphors, and you start trying them and you can connect with them instantly. And the change is amazing. Like for my posture, the way I'm sleeping, the way I'm sitting, just the way I'm feeling. I mean, I feel like I have a more full and vibrant life now. I feel taller. I don't know if I am, but I think I am with her techniques. I'm certainly sleeping better than I ever had in my entire life. And those are major, major life-changing changes.